Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to be cleaning up our master bedroom, so changing out all the sheets, putting the mattress protector on it, getting baby boy's play yard ready and set up for him for when he arrives, because he's probably going to be sleeping in this room with us for probably the first year of his life rather than in the nursery. He'll probably just use that during the day. So we're going to be doing a pretty deep clean of the whole entire room and just having everything done. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and start cleaning.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't.
So we are going to change out the mattress base because our old one is really old. Like literally Jose had it before we got married, and we're going on 6 years of marriage, so it was making creaking noises every time we moved. And when you have a baby, you know, you try to roll out of bed without waking them up sometimes, and it's just really hard with a bed that doesn't help you. So we're gonna clean that out, and I literally just walked in there to pick up a few toys that have made its way underneath the bed, and let me show y'all what my socks look like. Look at all of this lint. So we're going to go ahead and vacuum everything underneath there and just take care of that.
Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Ooh. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive. I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night.
So I'm getting ready to vacuum our upholstered headboard because you probably can't tell from far away, but it has collected quite the dust here on the top. So I will be cleaning this with the Dyson. You could probably, I think you can tell there. So yeah, let's go ahead and vacuum and get everything ready.
Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind.
the headboard is all vacuumed up and ready, we're putting back the base on the bed, and then I will be moving on to removing the pillowcase covers and throwing those in the wash along with the comforter before moving on to giving the windows a deep clean.
Is endless if it's only for now. I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me.
Now I'm moving on to cleaning the baseboards a little bit, and then moving on to the dresser and the nightstand.
When I'm in this town, look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
As usual, I like to work from top to bottom, so now that all the furniture, the windows, and everything else is done, I am moving on to vacuuming the floors and then going straight to mopping.
I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Now that the room is completely clean and we're simply waiting on on the comforter and pillowcase covers and stuff to be washed and dried, Jose will be putting together our baby boy's play yard so that it's ready for him to come sleep in once he's home.
Dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
As you can see here now, Jose and Kailey have showered. I still have to shower, but before that, we're going and putting back on that zippered cover on the mattress so that we can sleep for the night. But the comforter and the pillow shams and stuff have still not completely dried, and it's already nighttime, so it's pointless either way to make the bed at night. So I did not film that part since I waited till the next morning to make the bed and put everything back on. So that was all for today. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.